Well, the nation's highest rate of whooping cough is right here in the Badger State. And new at 10, 12 News' Jason Newton joins us in the Webb Center with the astonishing numbers. They just keep growing, Jason.
Yeah, they do, and those numbers are detailed in this report by the Wisconsin Division of Public Health. 5,700 confirmed and probable cases as of December 14th. But check out how that number stacks up to all of 2011. Just 1,200 cases back then, and according to the CDC, cases in Wisconsin occurred at more than 8 times the national rate. Now, we followed this trend throughout the year. The current vaccine lasts for about 5 to 6 years with, as one doctor explained, fewer side effects and safer than the 20-year variety of the past. Some doctors have theorized that fewer parents are getting kids immunized, driving that number up. Whatever the case, a doctor at St. Joseph's Hospital says it is highly contagious and it can work its way through peer groups fast.
It's not uncommon for this to get passed on, especially since we see it more in kids, and kids are around other kids, so it's not uncommon for that to get passed on pretty rapidly.
The city of Milwaukee health officials say that they noticed a sizable spike in their case as well. They plan to address this pertussis issue in the morning. Now, to read more on the illness or to see this report for yourself, you can just head to our website. It's the On TV section of WISN.com. Back to you in the studio.